are too divided. I think the problem is because of we are affiliated with our own political parties. You understand? If maybe MK is a suggestion, let us do this. You understand? Tina CEFF or CANC, we are not going to support that because it's an MK. You understand? I think that is the other problem as now as black South Africans. You understand? As much as we really need unity, but in practical, we can talk as much as we can here in these platforms. But to be quite honest, people, I'm telling you, we are divided. Come to the ground. Come to the practicality of unity. There's no unity in us. There's no unity in us. We must say it as it is. There's no unity in us as a black people here in this country. We know for the fact, we know our own issues, our own challenges as a black people. The big question is, yintoni esinoyenza to be united as a black people? It doesn't matter if you are MK, you are EFF, you are ANC. The fact of the matter, me and you, we are black. What can we do to be